Hey guys, so I was answering my DMs and many people were hitting me up about butt and leg exercises. Which ones are the best ways to go ahead and tone them up, lose fat, and all this stuff. So I was typing away and I realized it will probably be faster for me to go ahead and just make a video and send it out to you guys. So this is the video. Okay, so squats, lunges, and a handful of exercises are the ones that are best for me. So basic squats, okay? If you can come all the way down, come all the way down. If you can't come all the way down, you can come to about right here, it's good. The focus on here is to stick your butt out, chest out, okay? So this way you can focus on your glutes. Now here's the other part. You ready for this? Thrust forward. Check this out. Squat, thrust. Squat, thrust. Squat, thrust. When you start to thrust, what you're doing is you are firing your butt. You're getting it to squeeze. If not, you could easily just use a lot of your thigh for this movement. But the moment you start to squat, thrust. So you don't have to do this. See, you literally, right here, it's just tightening up. You see, this motion here. See, this motion is tightening your butt. It's like if you didn't do anything, you just stood here and you just did this, you're literally tightening up your glutes. So when you squat and then you tighten up right here, that's what activates your butt, okay? So now, squats, how many of those to do? I would like to usually go with time because repetition is good, time is good, really, it's just really up to you, but time makes it to where I can really just push it and I know I'll be done in 5 minutes, I'll be done in 20 minutes. So what I will suggest is to go with time, and I'll let you know at the end of this video how to go and set up the time, okay? So we got squats. Back lunges, really good for butt. Back lunges, and I like to do them alternating. Boom, boom, okay? So the trick here in back lunges is to get your butt to fire more, is to really stick your butt out and really stick it out a little bit, just a little. Now, when I do them, I don't stick anything out much anymore, but it's because I developed the ability to connect to the glutes. So to stick it out in the beginning, if you don't feel it. Now, if you feel your butt when you're doing these, you don't need to go ahead and do any of these extra stuff, okay? But if you don't feel your butt firing, the muscle actually contracting, what I mean by firing, then you can stick it out a little bit, okay? So back lunges are really good. Front lunges are good also. Same thing, all right? Step, stick just a little. So you want to be able to tell that I'm doing it, but you can tell because you're stepping down and just that little bit, it's like an inch or less, but that little bit will make a difference in the way you feel. So the next one for lunges that I really like is for butt and thighs, walking lunges. The difference between walking lunges and, just go back this way, right? The difference between walking lunges and regular lunges is because you have a momentum moving forward. So now all of your weight is on the front, and when you come up like this, the weight is distributed through the leg and glutes, all the way until the next step. When you're doing back lunges, your weight is coming backwards here. And then when you're coming forward, it's like this. The weight's doing this, this. But when you're doing walking lunges, the weight's constantly only going forward, okay? So it changes it up just a little bit. Now, if you're thinking which one is the best one, which type of lunge, you know what my answer is? This will be one of those answers, the one that you do more often. If you like walking lunges, you got a place that you're walking around, you're doing the walking lunges, right? Feels good, cool, I feel it more, cool. If you're like, I don't got this big old yard to do it, or, I just want to work in this little space, what should I do? Well, then just go and do the back lunges or the front lunges, okay? There's no magic workout that is better for one person versus another. It really just based on personal preference, and it's based on which one you're gonna do, okay? All right, so now let's get back to some butt exercise and leg exercise. This is some of my favorite here. So I was gonna get on that mat. Woo, it is hot. All right, so now we have these, I call these hydrants. And so it kind of looks like a dog peeing on a hydrant. But this one is such a great butt exercise. And also you can put a weight right here if, if you like. So all you're basically focusing on is getting the side of your knees up, okay? Side of your knees up. That's the main focus. Because by doing that, you're gonna be working the side of your butt right here, okay? So usually I would do either about 20 reps of these or I would just go with time. So then you go the other side. So when it comes to the time on what to do, I would recommend setting up at least about 20 sets of 30 seconds, okay? That's only 10 minutes. And then what you do, go ahead and go through every exercise, all right? So another one that I would like to do, is doing donkey kicks. So there's a couple ways to do this. You see how I'm just pulsing. This is really good for making the glutes fire, focusing on the glutes. You can also come down and up. Okay, both of them are really good. So you can go up. When you go back, you work more of your hamstrings, you know? And when you go up, you work more of your butt. All right, so it's a small variation, but it makes a little difference. All right, last one, these are really killer. I call these rainbows. So you start off, all right, toes pointed out. You come as far out as you can, and then round circle all the way to the back. Round circle all the way to the front. The rounder the circle, the rounder your butt's gonna be. So you want a round butt, give these big ass circles, okay? You want a little hump in the bump, you go with the little baby ass circles, all right? You want the big old rounds, you go big, all right? So same thing. Then you go the other side, boom, big circle. All right, the reason why your butt gets rounder when you do big circles is because you're working the range of motion. You're working the complete fiber of your glutes. So if you do a small circle, you work part of it. You do a big one, you work more of it. Okay, so it scopes it out. So now, is it still hot? Yeah, still hot. All right, so now hip thrusts and tabletops. Hip thrusts, you lay down, you're thrusting your hips. These guys, personally, I think they're a little easy, but they're good for kind of like a burnout. That means you do something that really works. I'm gonna close my eyes because it's hot as hell. And so you do something, then you kind of do these as like a burnout because they're so easy. But when you just did something else and you drop down and you do these, it's really killer. Now, tabletops. These guys here are awesome because number one, you're getting a little arm workout. You know, you're working your triceps, you're working your shoulders. And when you come up like this, you have the opportunity to really squeeze your glutes, okay? And you can go this, you know, halfway, but what I want you to do, I want you to go up, down, up. You are reaching for the sky with your lower abdominal, going up as high as you can, okay? And here's the thing. Always at the end of these, pulse. Just leave it up. Just do a static hold. And just push it as high as you can. Push it, push it, push it, push it. Sometimes this move is good to do just holding that movement. Like you don't even have to move. You just come here and you just do this. And you just stay here and you just constantly push your hips upwards, okay? So those are my favorite ones. One last one that I'll show you is you can go ahead and hold on to a wall or pole or something like that. Side, these guys, really good for the side of the glutes. And boom, back. Okay, these are the other two things. Just like that. So now, 20 sets of 30 seconds, for example, it's only 10 minutes. How are you gonna do that? Well, let's say you do squats for 30 seconds. Lunges for 30 seconds, right? Now, you do hydrants, 30 seconds, 30 seconds, 30 seconds of these, 30 seconds of rainbows on the other side. Then you come down, 30 seconds, okay? Hold for 30 seconds, drop down, 30 seconds, You see what I mean? You got a whole little circuit. Boom, 30 seconds. 30 seconds, repeat. All right. So those are all the exercises I like to do. Again, which ones that you like to do are up to you. You can do all of them, or you can do certain ones that really feel good for you. Okay. So I hope you like this. 30 seconds is just a good start. If you like, you can do a minute, 20 sets of 1 minute each. It's only 20 minutes. How much rest do you need? Try not to rest, okay? But if you need it, just rest if you need to. This way, you spend more time working, less time resting. That's the beauty about using your body. That's the beauty about being able to really get the results, increasing that time under attention. You don't have to switch machines, you don't have to do all that stuff, and you can just go, 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 go. All right, so.